Knipex siphon and connector pliers. Knipex Tools is a brand that is well known and respected in the plumbing industry. Their pipe and connector pliers are a must-have tool for any plumber's toolkit. These pliers are unique in that they offer 25 simple adjustment positions with the push of a button. This feature is ideal for repetitive tasks, as once the pliers are set, they do not move from that position until you change it. The model number 8111250 of Knipex pipe and connector pliers in particular features replaceable plastic jaws for soft surfaces up to 3 inches in diameter. This means that if the jaws get worn out, you can easily replace them and continue to use the tool. Additionally, these pliers are available with either serrated or soft jaws for use on sensitive surfaces. When it comes to quality and durability, Knipex Tools is a brand that you can trust. They are well engineered and made from high-quality materials, ensuring that they will last for a longer period of time. If you're looking for a tool that will stand the test of time and make your plumbing tasks a breeze, then Knipex Tools pipe and connector pliers are the best option to go with. 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃 and 5000 plastic cutters. The 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃 and 5000 plastic cutters are truly a game changer for anyone working with thin wall plastic tubes. These innovative cutters are the first of their kind to offer the ability to make clean, quick, and straight cuts on tubes made of polyethylene (PE), polypropylene (PP), and thin wall PVC. With the automatic burr removal feature, you don't even need a separate tool to deburr, saving you time and hassle. The 𝗞𝗃3240 and 5000 are incredibly efficient, taking only about 6 rotations to make one cut, which is about 4 times faster than using a hacksaw. Whether you're working with 32mm or 40mm outer diameter plastic tubing, these cutters can handle it with ease. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve speed and repeatability in their work. The 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃3240 and 5000 plastic cutters are the perfect tool for plumbing professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone in need of a reliable, efficient way to cut thin wall plastic tubes. 3-in-1 silicone trowel and scraper. The 3-in-1 silicone trowel and scraper is a revolutionary plumbing equipment that integrates 3 useful strengthening tools into one convenient package. The sharp blade, silicone chalk, and residue scraper all in one convenient tool is ideal for any plumbing job. The silicone trowel and scraper that doubles as a utility knife makes working with caulk, putty, a breeze. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, this tool will make you more efficient and effective. This blade can cut through any joint or edge, and it won't scratch or damage your walls as you use it. The non-slip handle ensures a safe and firm grip, allowing you to focus on your job without worrying about dropping it. A push button allows you to quickly change from the silicone wrapper to the caulks, making the 3-in-1 silicone trowel and scraper a versatile tool. This time-saving function allows for simple job switching. If you're looking for an amazing plumbing tool that is versatile and can work well for any task, then the 3-in-1 silicone trowel and scraper is the perfect choice for you. iCrimp Copper Ring Removal Tool. Introducing the iCrimp Copper Ring Removal Tool, the ultimate solution for connecting PEX pipes and copper rings. With jaws of 2 different sizes, this tool is designed to accommodate copper rings of 0.5 inch and 0.75 inch in diameter. The jaws are well polished to prevent damage to the copper rings, ensuring a secure and long-lasting connection. Constructed with high-quality, rust-resistant CRMO steel, this tool also boasts a calibration function that helps it last for years. Its short handles and lightweight design make it easy to use in tight spaces, making it perfect for homeowners, plumbers, and household maintenance and repairs. Note that this tool is also suitable for use with brass PEX fittings and should not be used to remove plastic or copper PEX connections. Upgrade your plumbing game with the iCrimp Copper Ring Removal Tool today. 𝗤𝗏𝗃 Hand Tube Bender. Introducing the 𝗤𝗏𝗃 Hand Tube Bender, the go-to tool for precise and effortless tube bending. It is easy to use and reduces the possibility of wrinkling or other damage to the tube during bending. It can bend tubes with outside diameters of 0.125, 0.25, 0.3125, 0.375, and 0.5 inches, as well as 3, 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeters. It is highly portable and features rolled eyes that reduce the bending force and tube ovality. 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃 Sink Machine. Simply pushing a lever advances and recovers the cable at a rate of up to 20 feet per minute, making the rigid 𝗂-45AF sink machine a potent drain cleaning. The big corrosion-resistant cable drum is simple to clean, and the cable may be changed out quickly and easily thanks to the twist lock canister's removable inner drum. Flexible and forceful, the C1 inner core drain snake cable is protected from rust and wear by a vinyl coating. The standard RPM for this machine is 200, however it can reach up to 600 when there is no work being done. It can be used to unclog toilets, urinals, sinks, and even tubs and showers, despite its small size. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Superfire 3. Introducing the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Superfire 3, the ultimate plumbing tool for all of your brazing needs. With its powerful cyclone burner, you can effectively braze pipes up to 28 mm in just 2.5 hours with only one MAP cartridge. The twist and load system allows for easy and fast replacement of the burner with just one movement. The Superfire 3 also features a piezo ignition and safety lock for comfortable and safe use. Not just limited to brazing, the Superfire 3 is also ideal for soft soldering, shrinking, heating, and removing paint. With the included MAP gas cartridge, it is the perfect tool for any repairs or service work. Upgrade your plumbing toolkit with the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Superfire 3 and experience the ease and efficiency of brazing like never before. Reed-hinged pipe cutters. The reed-hinged pipe cutters is the ultimate tool for precision cutting through thick pipes. Whether you're working in tight spaces, underwater, or in a quiet area, these cutters are designed to handle it all. With a range of pipe diameters from 25 mm to 63 mm, this cutter is ideal for a wide variety of projects. The hinged design allows for a lighter weight, better tracking for square cuts, less clearance, and more torque, making cutting faster and with less effort. It can be used on steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and ductile iron with just a 90-degree or 110-degree handle swing. The closed 360-degree frame design maximizes cutting efficiency, only requiring 4 inches of clearance around the pipe. Invented by Reed, this cutter is a must-have for any plumber looking for a reliable, precise, and efficient cutting tool. 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 want to deal with because they don't have the right tools. 𝗤𝗏𝗠𝗃 is one of the best ways to get rid of a clog. It's easy to use and can unclog pipes in toilets, bathrooms, and kitchens. Just pump air into it with the air pump and press the release button for a powerful, high-pressure blast of air to clear the blockage. Make sure you pump the 𝗤𝗏𝗠𝗃 to the correct PSI by following the 𝗤𝗏𝗠𝗃 PSI charge. The use of the proper pressure will ensure that the blast is effective against your clog. It can hold pressure of up to 87 PSI. Superior Tool Nipple Extractor. This tool is ideal for removing difficult-to-reach broken shower arm threads. It works well for a lot of other plumbing tasks as well. With a couple of quick hammer taps, it fits easily inside a broken thread, and then you can remove the broken thread by hand or with a wrench. It will not damage your shower pipe threads, allowing you to quickly install a new shower arm with no leaks. The whole point of this tool is to make home repairs easier. Spin Swagging Tools. Upgrade your plumbing toolkit with the Spin Swagging Tool set and enjoy the ease of joining pipes without any fuss. The Spin Swagging Tool set is the ultimate solution for quick and easy plumbing pipe connections. These 4 tools have diameters ranging from 0.25 to 0.625 inches, specifically designed for standard HVAC tubing sizes. They are ideal for use with both soft and hard copper tubing in sizes of 0.25, 0.375, and 0.5 inches with a wall thickness of up to 0.8 millimeters. These tools eliminate the need for sleeve or union fittings, allowing you to join pipes seamlessly. The deep swage produced by these tools doesn't jiggle or fracture, making brazing a breeze. And they are meant to be used with power tools like drills and screwdrivers, which have a minimum of 1800 RPM and 500 watts for corded drills, and a minimum of 1800 RPM and 18 volt for cordless drills. Bondlock Non-Welding Pipe Connection Technology. Bondlock is transforming the welding industry. It employs a pipe connection method which is at least 10 times quicker than welding. One of the primary benefits of the Bondlock is that it simplifies pipe fitting installation. It throws the process of welding out of the equation. There is no need for a team of people to install Bondlock. Installation is as easy as it can get. Get the right bond lock pipe fitting, cut the pipes, deburr the outside and inside parts of the cut, attach the bond lock using the bond lock toolkit, and lastly, do a pressure test. It is that simple. If you liked the video, check out this video, 15 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing.